Tip number 3 is once you've done your journaling and you've written everything down, don't stop there. Go back through it and work on it from that point onwards. Journaling in itself, just writing everything down, getting it all out, that's really therapeutic. It's going to help you a lot by itself. But I think it's important to go back through what you've written, because what you've written lays the foundation for the deepest possible work. It gives you everything you need to finally process and really deal with those problems on the deepest level. So if you've used a prompt, like I said at the start, like why am I not good enough, you've now got pages written out about why you're not good enough, which kind of sucks in itself. It's going to help you because now you know what you need to deal with, but it's important to go back through and challenge that stuff. Question and challenge the thoughts and beliefs and emotions that came up while you were writing. Question and challenge what's written on that page and figure out how you're going to work on it. Come up with an action plan. Take a look at what you've written. Is that really the person you want to be? If it's not, what can you do about that? Take a look at what you've written about yourself. Is that really true? Is that self-belief really true? Or can I question and challenge that now? Journaling in itself is amazing, but it lays the foundation for even deeper work if you go back through it and you ask yourself those questions and you challenge what you've written and you come up with action plans to deal with what you've just put down on that paper. So it's important to go back through it and do that deeper work after you've done the journaling.